Yeah, when plantain going in, man. See that bubble now?
Just from the bubbles, it's ready for the
bubbles, double bubble. Double bubble. Rice bubble out here.
You do the green or the which kind of plantain?
Well, maybe the turn one.
Ooh, nice and sweet rice.
Ah,
I like that idea. I was thinking you'd go green,
man,
but
no, that's too fucked up now. I couldn't put that in there. I have some nice veggie chunks to eat and it's there.
All right, it's gonna be nice.
We are nick up the man phone for coming.
Brown.
Ratty, how are your daddy? Paul.
Yeah.
And that's one brother again, no?
Paul.
Yeah, Kobe. Yeah. Paul, Ratty daddy, you know, so one brother business, you know? Paul.
Paul, my daddy and Ratty.
Yes, sir, I know that man now, you know. Ratty godfather, bad man.
Plantain time. You're trapped. You're trapped. You're trapped. That's what you get for messing with me. Good luck getting out. Oh, I got a banana here. Plantain. Sweet, just like Mokko is. We like sweet girls, we like sweet plantain.
Yeah. Guys, wanna come in here?
So you put it right in at the end, just so it doesn't get too soft.
Give it to me. Want to do something. Yeah, check something.
Like buried itself.
Put the plant them, you know what? Me put the plant them on top.
Why?
Anytime I hear the, when I broke the rice, I just take up them there first. I put good on in a pot bottom and spin around and... Yes, man! Everybody must just eat plantain. Hey, get it, get some water coming. Oh. Which water? See something the water there?
Hey! The next water man we give him.
No.
What do you do with it?
How much water coming?
Say water, is it?
Junior.
Yeah. I get some look here and see when I do call it like this, you know? Yeah. This rice is brown rice. And this rice is a hard rice. And this rice good. Everybody like it, you know, brown rice. But we are heat now. Prepare brown rice and ripe plantain, you know? It's nice. Different dinner. Last night we eat fish. You eat parrot and eat jack. But you come like you have fire in my mouth. Cause if you got a bone and it stick me right here.
Really?
Lad, you come like my mouth and fire.
Last night?
Last night, bone me man, but me come and call Rasta.
Are you wrong?
Me see the worst thing
Pull up your
about
pants.
fish.
Yeah, your
you
pants
get
to wear
cooked
them
some
yourself.
kind of way. Me see I want never nigger. Speak me. No, I eat tonight at night at all. No night eating, folks. What are you doing today, folks? Ratty left the cat now. The cat are going to spring in now.
Put him off by a tree.
Is he chasing the cocks?
Yeah, Ratty. The rat.
Run, brown man. Get out of there, it's not safe.
a selfie.
No, it's not a selfie.
But it's what is selfie?
Chanel-y. It's a Chanel-y.
Oh. Shana take selfie.
Hmm.
Mind you.
Take it, friend. I'm gonna take it to drink, friend.
Ratty's trying to block you out. Just a bit more heat.
That burn. You don't want that. It's going to go set. Simmer down now. Yeah. Soon eat. That is right. That is coconut juice in that too, you know. Coconut juice, brown rice, plantain, straight Ital. Not even a spoon of salt. Straight Ital. But that's straight natural, that one.
Yeah, it is soy, all vegetarian.
Yeah, that's why I make
Yeah.
it that way.
Yeah.
So everybody can look and know, say, salt in the veggie chunk, but nothing in the food. No time, I just cook it straight Ital. So I know a lot of get like that. The Ital shot, you know. Rice and ripe plantain, cooked with coconut juice, you know. Straight Ital, sir. Straight Ital up. Otherwise that Ital sip, sip, sip. Ital not, Ital sip, sip.
Come on.
I like how the rice kind of hitches a ride on the plant and like sticks to it. I don't know what the hell Veggie Chunk is. I don't know if I'm into it, but now that I see it cooked up nice, and I saw a Scotch bonnet go in there, that makes me more inclined. Alright, this is my very first veggie chunk. Didn't even know what it is until today.
I do today.
And yeah, it looks kind of like beef, but
Yes.
definitely Ital. There's enough rice in here for 7 people, but I'm probably gonna power it down anyway.
Yeah, man. Why not?
Alright, veggie chunk.
Yeah, man.
I'm not usually into like vegan fake meat stuff, but the way you season it with the noodle, and I think the Scotch bonnet, I could challenge.
Yeah.
I can knock this back.
No, why not?